Assalamu alaikum, everyone. What a beautiful day Allah has given us. Let's fly around and see how our friends are doing today.
What a lovely day, mashallah. The park looks amazing.
I can't wait to play.
Let's play near the swings.
Yes, and then we can play tag.
Before we play, Bismillah.
Bismillah.
You can't catch me. I'm coming.
Be careful. This is so much fun.
Alhamdulillah.
Whee! This is fun. Look how high I can go. Be careful.
Let's play more. This playground is awesome. We're having so much fun.
Whee! That was fun.
Let's go to the grass. Okay. Let's play football.
I'm going to score. Let's have fun together.
Hello, children. I have some delicious candy. Would you like some?
Candy? Wow.
Come on, it's free. You can take some.
It looks yummy. Can we take it? I'm not sure.
Oh no, my friends look unsure what to do. I need to remind them how to stay safe. I'd better help them. Stop.
You came. Alhamdulillah.
Children, do you know this man?
No, we've never seen him before.
He's a stranger.
Never accept candy, gifts, toys, or treats from someone you don't know.
Not even candy?
Not even candy.
Friends, remember something very important. Never accept candy, gifts, or anything else from someone you do not know. Always ask your parents or a trusted adult first. Allah loves when we make safe and wise choices.
Allah loves when we make safe and wise choices.
That's true.
Allah teaches us to be careful and make good choices. When something feels wrong, ask a trusted adult.
Inshallah, we will.
We will remember.
Yes! No, thank you. We don't want your candy.
We don't take candy from people we don't know.
We will ask our parents first.
Who is this hero boy? I thought you children were alone. You know how to stay safe. I think I'd better go now.
Allah wants us to make safe and wise choices. If someone you don't know offers you candy, gifts, or asks you to go somewhere, answer a trusted adult first.
Inshallah, we will remember. We'll stay safe.
Me too.
If someone we don't know offers candy, we say no. We will stop and think today and choose the safe and careful way. Don't take candy from someone you don't know. That's the safe way we should go. Ask your parents, ask first too. That's the safest thing to do. Allah loves when we are wise, safe and strong before our eyes. Hey, hey, safe every day. Hey, hey, safe every day.
Remember, friends, never take candy or gifts from someone you don't know.
If someone I don't know offers me candy, I will say, no thank you, and tell my parents. Always tell your parents or a trusted adult. Inshallah, we will make safe choices.
MashaAllah, that is the right thing to do.
Assalamu alaikum. See you next time on Faith and Light, kids.
Keep making good choices, friends.
Goodbye, Noor Hero. Thank you for watching, friends.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.